Jason here. What's up, you guys? Look, today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply the skins or the decals on a DJI Action 3 or Action 4 camera. This will apply to both cameras, so it doesn't matter which skin you get. They're both going to fit on the DJI Action 3 or the Action 4. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so to get this fired off, you're going to need your DJI Action 3 or Action 4 camera. Make sure you have the door for your microphone adapter. If you guys do have a microphone adapter that you keep plugged into your camera, make sure that thing that you get the door, identify it, make sure it's there. And then you got the sticker kit. Alright, so just so you guys know, off the rip, you have to strip your DJI Action 3 and Action 4 camera of all accessories. That is to include any attachments, your microphone adapter if you have it plugged in. If you guys have any mounts on the bottom, take them off and take it out of this DJI supplied case. You want the raw camera. Well, DJI says this vinyl is vehicle grade vinyl, so this is going to be very good, very strong, and should adhere to your camera very, very well and last a pretty long time. Also, will recommend you wash your hands thoroughly, very well. You just want to get all the oils and stuff off your skin. They give you instructions on how to do this. You see it's got the paperwork here. Osmo Action Protective decal. If you guys owned your DJI Action 3 or Action 4 for a while, a lot of this stuff's gonna kind of make sense. Like, look at this right here. That's basically the front of the camera. You flip it around this way, and you got the front of the camera. This is the screen. This is the lens, all right? This little part right here in the middle, it's probably gonna go up top somewhere. Maybe probably gonna go around the bottom of the front lens. You see, probably goes right there. You know, this little opening right here is for the Action 4. So that's kind of self-explanatory. If you get lost though, always look at this thing right here, the instruction manual, and just follow it. It's very simple. Okay, so when I got to the part right here on the very top and the very bottom, I had it wrong. The piece that has the most, this part is a lot longer while being attached, right? Compared to the smaller one. This one is smaller, right? And this one's a lot longer. The longer one goes on the top of the camera. The smaller one goes on the very bottom side. So I had to take this top side that I put on the bottom off the bottom and put it back on the top. And all you got to do, like I said, guys, is just line it up. It's sort of tedious, but it's your camera, so make it yours. And if you guys want to, you can take the lens off to get around the edges here on the corners of the lens. If you want to get to press that down a little bit better, or be able to, you guys can do that. Just make sure when you put the lens down like that, so that dust don't get on the inside of the lens. And then as soon as you're ready to put it back on immediately. Our air is dusty, and dust will get in there and sometimes ruin your shot. Hold on, I can't screw something back on. Okay, there you go. That's pretty much it. Now, somebody may be asking or wondering, okay, so like, how does it work with the DJI supplied cage? This will go in there, no problem. You guys know how to put it in the cage. Kind of pull back on that to open it and just drop it in from the front. Once it's seated in there properly, you close it, and there you go. It's all locked in. It's all there. You can still take the door off. No problem. Door's got the decal stuck to it permanently, so still have access to USB-C port. And this is kind of how it looks, guys. Well, guys, as I continue to wait for robots to load my truck up over here, that's all I got. I had time to make the video, so I went on and made it for you guys. It's really self-explanatory. You guys are going to see the instruction sheet, and all you got to do is just match the number of the stickers with the panels on your actual camera. It's always good to be familiar with your camera. It just makes it a little bit easier to apply these stickers. But it's pretty easy. It's tedious, but it's easy, guys. I think you guys can do it. Anyways, do you guys have any stickers on your cameras? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see any videos on. I'm going to be doing my X3 camera here in a little bit. And I think I have one for the GoPro. I have to find it, though. I've had these skins for a while. I just haven't applied them because, you know, I'm not really good at just doing vinyl wraps. I'm getting better and better. As far as the grade, the quality, and you can buy these from the DJI website. There's only 2 different ones that they offer. So you can imagine the quality is really good. Those vinyls are really thick. Don't be scared to make mistakes. You guys may not place the sticker in the right spot. All you got to do is just move it. Be very delicate with the vinyl, guys. Don't be all rough with it, or you can rip it. It's pretty durable, so you probably won't rip it easy, but just be delicate with it, all right? Another thing is, if you guys are trying to peel the vinyl from the corners, let's just say you try to start a peel, so you're trying to remove a section of the vinyl from the actual paper that it's attached to, and it starts to pull up more than just the vinyl, try a different corner and be delicate. Like I said, you got to be gentle with this thing, and then try another corner. If that corner is pulling up more than just the vinyl itself, try another corner. One of those corners are going to give you just the vinyl, and then you continue to peel from that section, and then you should be good to go. All right, so without further ado, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. And yeah, subscribe, hit the like button, man. Let me get a like for this button, for this video. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Peace.